Hey guys, welcome back to my crazy big black family on YouTube, guys. This is a special edition, guys. Tonight we are going to be celebrating Alyssa Costin's senior night, and she is going to be graduating. Yes, yes. Let's have a round of applause for Alyssa Costin, class of 2024. Yes! And tonight is going to be her senior night, guys. So please join us for a family celebration for Alyssa Costin, guys. Stay tuned. So, guys, without further ado, we are going to be welcoming the class of 2024's Alyssa Costin, guys. Yay! Alyssa Costin! Yes! Alyssa Costin, senior 2024, class of 2024 cheerleader. Alyssa Costin! Yes! Congratulations, Alyssa. And we want to just happy senior night, Paula! Happy senior night, Alyssa Costin. And we want to just say thank you so much for doing such a great job, for doing everything you could to make it to this night, for working hard on your cheer team, working hard, doing everything you could. Your family is here to celebrate you in your 2024 senior night year for Hudson High School. Alyssa Costin. Yes! And she will be being accepted by her parents, Alyssa and Brian Costin. Congratulations. 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 We love you. Good job.
Wow.
Good job, guys.
That was probably the best senior
We gotta
night
sit
I've
down.
been to.
And I want to just take this time, Alyssa, because this was...
Cupcake.
Yep, I already showed it. I'm going to take this time, guys, and I'm going to read this right quick. And this is conducted by her sister, Dear Alyssa Costin. I want to inform you that you are a very beautiful young lady. Continue to stay strong and fierce as well, and doing so as you may find light at the end, a blessing right around the corner. Congratulations, 2024, Alyssa Costin. Congratulations, Alyssa Costin. We love you. Good job. Good job.
Love you, baby.
Good job.